Google Chrome disables extensions in private mode by default for your privacy, but you can override that. In this video, I will show you exactly how to safely enable your extensions in incognito mode in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Go to three dot menu icon on upper right corner, then go to extensions, click on manage extensions. Here I want to enable Google Docs offline extension in incognito mode. Click on details option here, scroll down. Here you will find allow in incognito and you will find a warning notification. Google Chrome can't prevent extensions from recording your browsing history. Click here to enable it. That's it. Now this extension is enabled or allowed in incognito mode.